guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another glam life video. Today I have a really exciting video. It is the new Skin by Kim collection. I'm going to be unboxing everything that I got today in the PR package. I am so grateful for this opportunity, so thank you so much to Team Skin and Team Kim Kardashian. If you guys are new here, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to keep in touch with me on all of my other social media platforms. I also have a blog, so yes, oh my gosh. So the collection actually launches June 21st at 9 a.m. PST and 12 p.m. so noon EST, and there are 9 pieces that I have. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. It is so exciting. I was like shook when I got it. I was like, yes, oh my gosh. So it came in this cute giant bag right here, Skin by Kim, super cute. And this is like a really nice fun like towel material. Definitely like beach vibes, or like a weekend trip, or like even to go to my girlfriend's house to get ready. I feel like this is like the little sleepover bag, you know, to like bring my glam makeup and like a little iPhone stand, because we're making TikToks obviously. So this is the cute bag that I got, and I also did post a TikTok unboxing everything quick, so if you guys are into that, you can check that out. So yeah, there are 9 items here. I also got really cute slippers. I already wore them. I like immediately put them on when I got them. So I have this. I also got a really cute robe. Clearly I was wearing it. It's so comfortable and so warm. It's literally like a soft towel material. So I also got a robe. I got a little headband, like the kind that you use to wash your face. So I'm gonna be washing my face with this, and I will be doing a full review video separately. This is just an unboxing. I also got this cute like bag, and all the products came in here. So let's get into the product. So I opened one because I wanted to open one for my TikTok. So all of the products, like each product came in this eco-friendly wrapping, and then inside is the actual component. So this one is the cleanser, and it comes in like, it's like super cool like how they packaged it. So there's like these little metal pieces that kind of like hold everything together, and then it comes like this. So this is the cleanser foaming purifier, and the price is $43 for the actual, like the first one you get, and $37 for a refill. So definitely sustainable. I love that. And it looks like this, and the logo is here. I don't know if you guys can see it. The sun is setting as well, but I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. So I was like, oh my gosh, I just need to like get it out there. So this is the container, and the amount is 125 milliliters. I feel like it's a good amount, and it is really cute. They're very aesthetic. So that is the cleanser. So when you open the cleanser, it has a pump like this, and it's like a creamy consistency, and it looks like that. So that is the cleanser, and I know it foams up because I've seen the videos on it, but I'll definitely do a full review. So this is the cleanser, and then this is the one that I opened in my TikTok, and this is the toner, and it's an AHA gentle exfoliation toner, and this one is $45, and the refill is $38. This one is 180 milliliters. And for the toner, I opened this on TikTok, but you have to like spin it, and it looks like that because that's how toners usually are. And then I think this is how you like refill it. Looks like this. So it's pretty cool. See, it's actually like the same size. So they are the same size, the toner and the cleanser. So those are the first 2 products that I opened. So this is the night oil. It is $95, and the refill is $81. So cute. And this one is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Is a pump like this, and then it is like a oily serum. I don't know if you guys can see it with the light, but it's like a really nice light oil. But I'll be reviewing everything. I just wanted to unbox everything for you guys here on camera. This one is the vitamin C8 Serum. This one is priced at $90, and for the refill it is $77. So it looks like this, and then I'll show you guys the pump, and then I'm putting so many products on there. So this one is also like a serum-y. It's definitely a lot lighter than the night oil, but we'll be doing a product review on my face and everything. Once I take off this makeup, I'll be doing a review. The next product is an exfoliator. This one is such a cool container. And then, oh, so it opens like this. You spin it. Okay. And then you open the product like that. Okay, it's white. Usually I feel like exfoliators, I guess they're all like different. And then it comes with a nice like metal spatula to scoop it out and use it. And right now I don't want to ruin it, but that's what it looks like. And all the items have the logo on it. It says Skin by Kim. It is super cute. It kind of actually reminds me of the KKW fragrance Jeff Latham like bottles. It reminds me of those colors. Very beautiful aesthetic. And the exfoliator is $55, and for the refill it is $47. The next product is the hyaluronic acid serum, and this one is $90 and it is $77 for the refill. This one also comes in a pump like this. I'll like pump this one too, and this one is definitely serum consistency. It's really hydrating. I could just already feel it. Like, it's very hydrating. Oh my gosh, my hand, you guys. My hand, this hand looks so much nicer. I love it. So I'll be doing a review. So this is just like, I guess, a mini review. Here are the oil drops, Vita C Glow. This one I can't wait to use as well. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands. Okay, so this one comes out like lightly, which is good because you don't want like too much oil or like use too much product. It definitely is very shiny and gorgeous. Love it. So I can't wait to try all of these products. The oil drops, let me tell you guys how much it was. The oil drops are $95 and $81 for the refills. So this one is the eye cream. It is so cute. It literally is like a perfect sphere. Oh wait, it stands actually. Okay, it does stand on the very bottom because there's probably like a weight. I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna roll around. No, it actually stands perfectly on the table. So this one is the eye cream, and it is $75 for the actual thing and $64 for the refill. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it's one of those things where you like peel it open as well, and then looks like that. It's just like cream. And then this one doesn't come with a spatula, but I'm gonna try the eye cream really quick on my hand. Yeah, it feels very, very nice. I just put it right here on my wrist. So this is really cute. I love it. And this one has plumping peptides. So I can't wait to use this as well. So I'll be using all of it. This is the Skin by Kim face cream. This is also a perfect circle. So the logo will be on the top, but it does stand perfectly on your vanity or wherever on like a flat surface. And this one, the price is $85 and the refill is $72. So that's pretty cool because you can just keep the component and keep the container, but you can get a refill. So this one is also one of the peeling things where you like peel it open. Wow, that moisturizer already just looks thick. And I actually love like a thick creamy moisturizer. I'm just gonna try a little bit on my arm. Yes, I love it. I love the moisturizers where you feel like it goes in your skin like right away. I love that. So that's what it feels like. So I'll definitely be doing a full review on the products. I just wanted to unbox it really quick on here. Obviously, like I have full makeup on, so I can't really like try it and like review it. So I will be trying all of these products in the next couple of days, using them to remove my makeup, wearing the products under my makeup, and also using some of them for my nighttime routine. So that's gonna be amazing, and I'm so excited about that. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. And also make sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms and check out my blog. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to be able to receive PR for Skin by Kim. It is so amazing. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys all so much for your love and support. And if you guys want to see a review video ASAP, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.